After revealing the second-generation Niro late last year, Kia is now providing more information about the second generation of this small hybrid crossover. The 2023 Kia Niro will again be offered in hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and electric forms, with the conventional hybrid set to arrive first. The Niro Hybrid will again use a powertrain that combines a 1.6-liter inline-4 gasoline engine, an electric motor, and a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Kia says total output will be 139 horsepower, the same as before, and it will be front-wheel drive only. Details aren't yet available on the plug-in hybrid or electric versions, but they will surely use more powerful electric motors and larger battery packs. Kia has released photos of the Niro EV showing a slightly different front-end design. The 2023 Niro is larger than the old model, with a slightly longer wheelbase, an increase in width, and a 2.5-inch longer body that should provide both more passenger space and extra cargo room. Its styling is taken largely from the Habanero concept car and will offer interesting trim customization possibilities. 8 exterior colors are on offer, with 6 color options for the contrasting C-pillar trim and 3 trim choices for the body cladding. Inside, the Niro comes with a 10.3-inch touchscreen and a digital gauge cluster like many other new Kia models. A rotary shift knob, previously seen only on the Niro EV, is now standard on the hybrid models as well. We expect to see Kia provide more US-specific information in the coming months, as the Niro is set to go on sale in Korea first with other markets to follow later this year.